Today is sequence and series. In the first series, arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. First we have to see the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. The series A plus D, A plus 2D and so on are in set to be arithmetic progression simply called as AP. So in arithmetic progression the common difference is same here. So what is the common difference? The difference between any two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to and so on Tn minus Tn minus 1. So this is called the common difference and that is denoted by D, that is D is equal to T2 minus T1. Here A is called the first term, D is called the common difference. So in the arithmetic progression Tn, nth term of the series. What is nth term in arithmetic progression is A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D is called the nth term of the series. Here A is first term, and D is common difference, A is called the first term and D is called the common difference. Next, Sn means sum of n terms in the series. Tn means nth term of the series. Sn means sum of n terms in the series is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into is the sum of the n terms in the arithmetic progression. And one more formula for Sn. Sum of n terms in the series, if you know first and last term, then its formula is n by 2 into a plus l. N by 2 into a plus l is also the sum of the first n terms in the series, if you know first and last terms. First term, last term తెలిస్తే ఈ ఫార్ములా మనం అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. Here a is first term, l is the last term. Next, and Tn is equal to, most important, Tn is equal to nth term of the series is Sn minus Sn minus 1. సమ్ ఆఫ్ n టర్మ్స్ లో నుంచి సమ్ ఆఫ్ n minus 1 టర్మ్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత టర్మ్ వస్తుంది. సో Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, most useful formula. Next, and if ABC are in AP, if three terms ABC are in AP, then what is condition? 2b is equal to a plus c. If ABC are in AP, then condition is 2b is equal to a plus c. Next, the arithmetic mean between that means AM, the arithmetic mean between the two numbers between a and b is, what is arithmetic mean between a and b? A plus b by 2. Suppose if you have three terms, then the arithmetic mean is a plus b plus c by 3. If you have n terms, a plus b plus c and so on n terms by total n. Next, exercise 1, first bit. If a b c d e f are in AP, then a minus c. What is given? A b c d e f are in AP. If a b c d e f are in AP, then e minus c value comes. So e minus c equal to 2 into common difference. This is the formula, 2 into common difference. That is equal to 2 into common difference means b minus c or c minus b or d minus c or e minus d or f minus c. మనకున్న ఆప్షన్స్ చూస్తే 2 into c minus a ఉన్నది. c minus a is not a common difference. Second one చూస్తే 2 into d minus c. d minus c is a common difference. d minus c. మనకి మనకి ఏదైతే ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఉంటుందో ఏ టూ కాన్స్టిట్యూటివ్ టర్మ్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తారో అది రాసుకోవాలి. బి మైనస్ ఏ ఉండొచ్చు, సి మైనస్ బి ఉండొచ్చు, డి మైనస్ సి ఆర్ ఈ మైనస్ డి ఆర్ ఎఫ్ మైనస్ సి. ఇందులో ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది తీసుకోవాలి. మనకి ఇక్కడ డి మైనస్ సి ఇచ్చాడు, అది మన ఆప్షన్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ if 7 times of the 7th term of AP is equal to the 11 times of the 11th term, then 18th term of the AP. What is given? 7 times of 7th term. 7 times of 7th term, TA7 is equal to 11 times of the 11th term, T11. అయితే then find the 18th term మనకు కావాలి. So this is given. So 7 into. What is Tn formula? Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is well known formula. But here T7 అంటే replace n by 7. So అప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది వాల్యూ చెప్పండి. a plus 7 minus 1 6 d is equal to 11 into T11. That means replace n by 11. So a plus 11 minus 1 10 d. So multiply చేయండి ఇక్కడ 7a 7 6 are 42d is equal to 11a plus 110 into 11 110. Bring all terms one side, ఈ value not side తీసుకెళ్తే 11 minus 7 4a plus 110 లో నుంచి 42 తీసేయండి. 110 minus 42 it becomes 72 d is equal to 0. Now what we require? What is we require? 18th term. 18th term, bring 4 common. By taking 4 common, what we get here? A plus ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది value? 17 అన్న? Yes, 17d is equal to, this is 78 I think. 78 equal to 0. So a plus 7d, 4 bring that side, becomes 0. So a plus 17d, a plus 17d equal to 0. Write it as a plus 17, write as 18 minus 1 into d equal to 0. So clearly what is this is T18. What is T and a plus n minus 1 into d? T18 means a plus 18 minus 1 into d, that becomes 0. So 18th term of the series is clearly 0. Third one, if 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus and so on 16 plus and so on plus x is equal to 148, then x value x value. So clearly this is in AP. Here what is a equal to 1, d equal to 6 minus 1 becomes 5, or 11 minus 6 5, or 16 minus 11 5. ఇది కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏముంది కాబట్టి ఏపీలో ఉన్నాయి. Now the sum of the first n terms in the series. What is the sum of n terms in the series? What is sum of n terms? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for that write the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is given as 148. Now what is n here? So the sum of the n terms. Last term is x. So n is x plus the n by d. So x by 2 into 2a plus 2 into a value. What is a value? Clearly 1 plus n minus 1. That means x minus 1 into d. What is d? Common difference 5 equal to 148. Now to bring that side and multiply 2 into x 2x plus x into 5x square minus 5 into x minus 5x is equal to 2 into 148, that becomes 296. So bring all terms one side, 5x square minus 3x minus 296 is equal to 0. By factorization we get the x value. So you have to do that one. Next, fourth one. What is fourth one given? The sum of the n terms of an AP is 2n square minus n, then the 8th term. So what is Sn given? Given Sn is equal to, in Sn in AP, 2n square plus n. Next, what we require? Then the 8th term, T8 value. T8. Now, what is T8 formula? Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. So, T8 is equal to S8 minus 1. That means S7. Now, what is Sn given? 2n square plus n. S8 means replace n by 8. 2 into 8 square plus 8 minus S7. S7 means 2 into 7 square plus 7. So take bracket. Now 2 into 8 square. 8 square is 64. 64 is 182. Sorry. 64. 64 2 jar 128 plus 8 minus 7 square 49. 49 2 jar 98. 98 plus 7 105. That becomes 128 plus 8. 136 minus 108, 105, that becomes 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5, 1. Okay. So 8th term is 31.